For centuries, we believed Earth had 7 continents: Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, and South America. But scientists now say that list might be incomplete. Zealandia is a vast, mostly hidden continent that stretches across nearly 5 million square kilometers of the southwest Pacific Ocean. To put that into perspective, imagine a landmass so large it could easily fit several European countries within its boundaries. Zealandia's sheer scale is astonishing, especially when you realize that it's not just a small collection of islands, but a massive continental crust that rivals some of the world's most well-known land masses. When compared to Australia, Zealandia is about 2/3 its size. That means if you placed Zealandia next to Australia, it would cover a significant portion of the continent, making it the world's smallest, thinnest, and most submerged continent, yet still impressively large by any standard. But here's the truly remarkable part. About 94% of Zealandia lies hidden beneath the ocean's surface. Unlike other continents which are mostly above water, Zealandia is almost entirely submerged, making it a unique geological wonder. Its continental shelf forms a vast underwater plateau, cloaked by the deep blue of the Pacific. Only a few peaks of this sunken continent break through the waves, forming the islands we recognize today. Among these, New Zealand stands out as the largest and most prominent, but there are also smaller islands like New Caledonia and various rocky outcrops. These visible fragments are just the tip of the iceberg, hinting at the immense continent that lies hidden below the ocean's surface. For decades, scientists suspected this landmass existed, but only recently have they been able to map it in detail using advanced underwater scanning technology. And what they found was unmistakable. Zealandia isn't just a collection of islands, it's a true continent. To be considered a continent, a landmass needs to meet specific criteria. It must be large, it must have thick continental crust, it must be geologically distinct, it must be elevated compared to the ocean floor, and it must have clear boundaries. So, Zealandia meets all of these conditions, which means, technically, Earth may have an 8th continent. And that changes more than just textbooks. It really changes how we understand Earth's geological history. Millions of years ago, Zealandia was part of a vast supercontinent called Gondwana. But around 80 million years ago, it began to slowly break away and drift apart. Instead of staying above water like other continents, Zealandia slowly sank beneath the ocean. Its mountains eroded, its valleys flooded, and eventually, almost the entire continent disappeared underwater. Until now. So, modern mapping has actually revealed underwater mountain ranges, these massive plateaus and really ancient rock formations that prove Zealandia has been there all along, hidden, but never truly gone. This discovery isn't just about updating maps. Zealandia could actually help scientists understand how continents form, how tectonic plates move, how Earth looked millions of years ago, and even how continents sink and rise. And maybe most importantly, what else might still be hidden beneath our oceans? Because even today, much of the ocean floor remains unexplored, meaning Zealandia might not be the last surprise. If Zealandia is officially recognized everywhere, it could fundamentally reshape how we define continents forever. Imagine a world where the maps we've grown up with suddenly look different, where the familiar outlines of continents are redrawn to include a vast, mostly submerged landmass. This isn't just a small change. It's a shift in our understanding of Earth's geography, one that could ripple through education, science, and even our sense of place in the world. Schools may need new maps, textbooks may need rewriting, students everywhere would have to learn about an 8th continent, and teachers would need to explain how something so large could have gone unnoticed for so long. Atlases and globes would be updated and classrooms would buzz with curiosity about this mysterious land beneath the waves. The story of Zealandia would become a new chapter in geography lessons, sparking questions and inspiring young minds to think differently about the planet. And the seven-continent model might become history. For generations, we've learned about Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, and South America. But with Zealandia's recognition, that list could grow, challenging what we thought we knew and reminding us that knowledge is always evolving. The way we see our world would be forever changed. Some scientists already consider Zealandia Earth's eighth continent. They've studied its unique geology, its ancient rocks, and its distinct tectonic boundaries. Their research has revealed a hidden world beneath the ocean, one that shares many features with the continents we know. For these experts, Zealandia is not just a curiosity, it's a crucial piece of Earth's puzzle. Others are still debating it. The scientific community is divided, with some arguing that Zealandia doesn't meet all the criteria for a continent. The debate is lively and ongoing, filled with passionate arguments and new discoveries. This is how science moves forward, through questioning, testing, and re-examining what we think we know. But one thing is certain: the Earth is still full of discoveries. Every year, new technologies allow us to explore places once thought unreachable, from the deepest ocean trenches to the most remote mountain peaks. Zealandia is a reminder that our planet still holds secrets, waiting to be uncovered by curious minds and adventurous spirits. Even in places we thought we already understood, there are mysteries beneath the surface. The story of Zealandia shows us that exploration is never truly finished, and that the map of our world is still being drawn. Scientists are planning more missions in the coming years to explore Zealandia in greater detail. They want to map deeper, drill into the crust, and uncover the continent's full history. Because beneath the Pacific Ocean, an entire world is waiting to be explored. So what do you think? The story of Zealandia is a fascinating reminder that our understanding of the world is always evolving. Just when we think we've mapped every corner of the globe, new discoveries challenge what we know and inspire us to look deeper. Zealandia, hidden beneath the waves for millions of years, is a testament to the mysteries that still lie beneath our feet and our oceans. Is Zealandia really Earth's eighth continent? Scientists continue to debate this question, weighing the evidence from geology, geography, and oceanography. Some argue that Zealandia meets all the criteria for a continent, while others see it as a unique but submerged landmass. The debate itself is a powerful example of how science is a living process, always open to new ideas and discoveries. Or is it just a submerged landmass? The answer may depend on how we define continents and what we value in our exploration of Earth. What's certain is that Zealandia's story encourages us to keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of what we think we know. Either way, one thing is clear: our planet still holds secrets, and we're only just beginning to uncover them. From the depths of the ocean to the farthest reaches of space, there's so much more to learn. Every discovery, big or small, brings us closer to understanding the incredible complexity of our world. And if you enjoyed this video, imagine what else is out there waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a student, a scientist, or just someone who loves learning about our planet, there's always something new to explore. Stay curious, keep asking questions, and never stop seeking knowledge. Make sure to subscribe for more discoveries that change how we see the world. Together, let's keep exploring the unknown and celebrating the wonders of our amazing planet.